Okay, friends. So here are the four things that can happen when you take a COVID test. You can have COVID and the test can come back positive. True positive. We talked about that. That was the 95% from above in this particular test we looked at. You can also have COVID and the test can come back negative. That's a false negative because you actually have COVID, but the test says you don't. That was the other 5% from above. Now, here's something else we haven't talked about yet. What if you don't have COVID? Well, if you don't have COVID and the test comes back positive, that's called a false positive. We haven't even talked about that yet. The other case, the last case, would be if you don't have COVID and the test comes back negative. That would be a true negative. Now, what's interesting in this case, the case I just asked you about, is I said, the test came back positive. There are two ways the test can come back positive. It could be a true positive or it could be a false positive. Those are the two options. We have to address this. It's kind of like the craps question from above. You know you won at craps, but you don't know how you won. You know you tested positive, but you don't know how you tested positive. Let's dive in with the next few questions.